In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily rearrange your columns right here in Google Sheets. So I have my example data right here using the pre-built tables that we have here in Google Sheets. And if you're new to these pre-built tables, I have a separate video about this that you can definitely check out. And I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can also check out. Going back to this example, I have a table with travel info and I want to organize my columns. So I have plenty of columns right here that I'm not sure if they're organized right. And what I want to do is to actually rearrange them, make sure that they're in the right order. For example, I want to move this column right here to the very end of my table. And I can easily do that by selecting the entire column by clicking at the top where it will say the letter. So this is column D right here. If I click at the top, that would select the entire D column on my spreadsheet. And if I want to move it, what I'm going to do is to click on that same column that I've just selected. You'll see that the hand is now grabbed onto that column. And now I can just simply drag it or move it to the place where I want it to be. So I want it to be at the end of my column right here. You'll see that gray line that's guiding me to where I'm going to move this column. If I release, there you have it. Now I've successfully dragged that column from column C to column H, which is the end of my table right here. There you have it. Next one, let's try that again. If I were to move or exchange these two right here, my travel cost and my travel end date. So I don't feel like it's right to have the travel costs in between the start date and the end date. So I'm just going to exchange those by moving either one of them. If I were to move this one right here, which is my column F, I'll just click on that column and click on it again, drag it to where I want it to be and release. There you have it. Now I think I have the right order to my table where my travel start date is here next to my end date, and then have the travel cost next to that, and of course the travel type at the end of my entire table. And there you have it. Quick and easy way on how you can rearrange or organize your columns within your tables right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.